Now, trick 3 is using a flanger or a modulation plugin, in this particular case a flanger, to help spice up your hi-hat loops. In this example, I've got a pretty standard hi-hat loop that sounds like this. Cool. Sounds a bit flat to me though, and I want to add a bit of, I guess, width and something a bit different to spice it up. What I've done then is engaged a flanger, which you'll find in your modulation section. And all a flanger does is basically set an equal delay to the entire signal by creating a phase shift. You can see the different rates here that you can set. A higher number here indicates a quicker rate of flanging, with the intensity and feedback kind of controlling how much flange you hear back. And of course the mix is how much wet versus dry signal you want. What we're left with though is if I just engage this on and off again, once I engage this now, pay attention to the difference. Now hopefully you guys can pick that up on your speakers or on your headphones, but that's a nice sort of way to sort of create this artificial stereo spread. Let me just play that one more time for you. And you know, maybe that the sample doesn't ring through too much by itself, but with other elements involved, I think it might sound really cool.